not going to work so well if you are lying. If you are scamming the people, we are not going to be happy here. You know, here we clean up street, my guy. We don't buy faces. We don't care about you. We don't care about your crocodile tears that you're crying. If you are here to mislead the people, we're going to clean up that street that you stay in. Make sure that when you get out from your home, you must know that street of yours we are there to clean up, because we are bringing that street of yours here in YouTube, and you are coming here to scam people. If you're coming to scam people here with that person of yours called Modesta, it's not going to work. Go tell your home girl. And both of you, you are busy stealing people's money. And let me tell you, Modesta, the country that you are hiding there, you'll get deported back. Even the people in your own country, they don't want you. Many of the people in Nigeria, they don't want you. You'll get deported back with the rubbish that you're doing.